We're going to stick to the 3 Ds: dedication, determination, and being the mirror. All right?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, I know you ain't gonna talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that it's midnight.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie and I do all things fashion, natural hair, and lifestyle. And since we're talking about lifestyle, I'm going to tell you what's going on with me in my personal life. So the reason why I'm showing you guys and documenting those meal preps is because I'm trying to lose 50 pounds in 2 months. You heard me, 2 months. So I'm going to talk about the food that I made this week. All the food that I made was amazing. Mind you, I don't cook, okay? I don't have time to cook. So that's why I meal prep for the whole week. And it just seemed to be convenient for me. And that kind of helped me stay on my diet the whole week because I had meals already prepped for me, right? So all the food was extremely filling and none of the meals missed. And I'm not just saying that because I cook the food. I genuinely feel like none of the food is was bland. Like, oh my gosh, like, here comes this lettuce. Like everything was delicious. And the main meal, like the main 2 dishes that I really enjoyed was the birria tacos. So good. And it was so simple because the bread was already pre-made from Trader Joe's, and then you just putting it in the tortilla, which is low carb, right? And then also I really enjoyed was my salmon and cauliflower rice with the broccoli. I cooked that broccoli to perfection, okay? All right? Okay.
Nice broccoli. They like my broccoli and they love my baked chicken.
Hey, right now, look up your phone and see what it takes to make broccoli, and tell me does it say heat up water?
That was cooked to perfection. And I really want to highlight the cauliflower rice. It was really delicious. So Trader Joe's have two different cauliflower rice. They had I think it's like a stir fry cauliflower rice, if I'm not mistaken. And then they have the Spanish rice version, and the Spanish rice just went really well with my blackened salmon. Oh my gosh, it would taste so fucking good. It was so amazing. Like, I really was scraping the bowl. It was so good. So I really enjoyed those two meals. And then the chicken, I'm about to eat that now because that was banging. I'm about to put it back in the air fryer. So the food all around was delicious. If you want to join the journey with me, comment down below 50 and 2, right? You can join the journey with me. Follow me on Instagram, and there I post like what I eat in a day type situation, so you can really feel like you have somebody going through the journey with you, okay? The mindset of this journey is demure, okay? Very mindful, okay? Very dainty. We're eating dainty food. We're being mindful what we're putting in our mouths, okay? This is just what we're embodying. Just being very demure, okay? Let's get into our healthy habits. Let's get into our weight loss journey. Let's get into being motivated and constantly moving our bodies, all right? So I just want to say that, give that little spiel. So just to give you a little backstory, in February, I went to the doctor's office, and of course they weigh you, and I weigh 250 pounds, which is the largest I've ever weighed. And right then and there, I was like, yeah, baby, we have to nip this in the bud, okay? So between February and March, I spoke to my doctor on what we can do, and pretty much she gave me like the Ozempic way, and then she gave me like the healthy alternative, which I chose, you know, the healthier and longer route. There's nothing wrong with Ozempic, okay? But we did that, right? So between February and March, I lost 10 pounds, and honestly, I didn't really do anything. I wasn't like really heavy on, you know, my lifestyle change. I just kind of like cut out sugar here and there, try to cut up carbs where I could, and I lost 10 pounds. So I know if I really put all my oomph into it, baby, we can lose 50 and 2, period. So that's just the inspiration for this video. This is going to be a series on my channel between now and November, where I'm going to post weekly my meal plan, also how I'm feeling, like just giving you an update how I'm feeling, some snacks that are healthy and quick you can eat, and then of course finding some good sweets that you can have throughout your meal, just to make sure that we're staying on track. If you are interested in that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting more likely daily, and you guys can talk to me a little bit more, you know, on there versus like on YouTube comments, because that's the only way you can talk to me. Unless you subscribe to be a member using your membership, then of course you can talk to me whenever. But at the meantime, you know, the best way to contact me daily, if you need that motivation, if you're like, girl, I don't know what to eat, I'm about to go Chipotle, I can give you the low calorie, no carb Chipotle recipe. I could give you that. Just subscribe and connect with me on Instagram. If you are interested in going along the journey with me, this is where you can find me, okay? And like I said, the meal prep was amazing. I really had a good time cooking, and it really wasn't that long. I think it only took like 2 hours. And then on top of that, I feel like I kind of, maybe I'm being delusional. I think I slimmed up a little bit. But yeah, I can't wait to show you all of my exercises that I'm doing. and what I'm eating to lose 50 pounds in 2 months. I know we can do it. We're going to do it. Only I am your fashion BFF. I'm going to be your gym partner. Hello? Like, I'm so excited for this journey, and I hope everyone who is watching this, you know, is using their 3Ds to be successful in this weight loss journey. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it means the world to me. Until next time, bye.